Welcome to the RFT World Series. We're now here in exotic Mindanao, but the next RFT World Series Mindanao 2020 will take place in October. So we welcome all participants, everybody here. We are back to nature, back with the Aboriginal people, be in touch with Mother Nature right here in RFT Mindanao 2020. See you.
Mindanao is the first region for Philippines to be the Rainforest Trophy World Series. So welcome to the family of the Rainforest Trophy World Series. And here, I must say thank you for the vision to put Mindanao on the map, or the world map of the World Series. The World Series is a tourism expedition event, which is very fitting to what your governor's vision for Misamis Oriental and the whole of Mindanao. So we are going to promote Mindanao as the region, because Rainforest Trophy Mindanao is already established in the World Series, and we welcome you to join us in October for the International World Series coming to Mindanao.